Alright, welcome to this episode of Smash Engineering. Today we're going to be changing the air filter in the Trailblazer platform engine. That includes the Bravada, there's a Buick, I think Rainier, I think that's what it's called, and the Trailblazer. So let's go ahead and get started.
Smash Engineering.
Okay, so the air filter is actually located underneath this big box, and this is why I decided to make this video. A lot of people I talk to that own these kind of trucks that aren't car people, they don't know where the air cleaner is even at on this. The easiest way to find your air cleaner on most like non-turbo vehicles, follow your intake. This is your intake plenum here. So follow this. At the end of this is where it has to be. So for this, you're gonna need a large flat blade screwdriver. And there's just, what I think, there's just 3 bolts. Take those out. They stay in place. And the other one is hidden way down in there. And once you think you got them all out, take this, it's like a resonator box, take this off, set it aside, and here is your air filter. Okay, for this vehicle I chose the Bosch air filter. I don't really care a lot for STP. I don't mind Fram, but yeah, I went with Bosch. And it seems like no matter where you get them from, they're made in China anymore. But as you can see, it's the same one. So what we'll do is we'll pull up on this one to free it. And you can see how bad this one is. It looks black in between the center, and even the metal is rusted on it. So it's an old one. It's a Fram CA 9345 if you want to replace it with a Fram. The Bosch number is a 5335WS. So then you just take the end of this, if you can get around there, you plug this into that, like that. Make sure it has a good nice seal on there. Then you set it down in there. And then you take your cover, you finagle it back down in here. Like that. And then it's just the reverse. Make sure you're not cross-threading these. Much easier if you use a large Phillips because they self-center. This is all I had at the moment. This one's probably the hardest one. One you can't see down there. So getting it lined up just right. Can be a little bit of a pain, but you don't change these super often. So it's nice to get it done and get it done right. Your car will thank you, your wallet will thank you, because your gas mileage will slightly improve. I don't know if you guys have seen my video, but I actually made a video about the importance of a clean air filter. One of my previous videos, I had It's a smaller engine, but they all work kind of the same. I had a dirty air filter that I laid on a running engine, and it stalled. I'll try to link that video at the end of this one so you can see the importance. A lot of people overlook their air filters, and it's a really cheap and important way to take care of your vehicle. So thanks for watching. That's going to wrap this one up. If you could, leave me a like, throw me a comment in there, subscribe to the channel. But other than that, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.